May profits be upon you. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Looking at CAD yen, looking at CAD, the Canadian dollar, and the Japanese yen. Why am I looking at that? Why? Because let's take a look at the RT money meter, which tracks the rate of change over 15 weeks, each currency. And I'd like to update it every week so we can see who's strong, who's not, right? Canadian dollar. Look at the CAD. All right. Last 2 weeks ago, it was ranked at number 3, right around neutral, 0.12, right? This week, 2 weeks later, it's at 1.26. Now that is moving bullishly. We have a bullish momentum with this CAD. It's number 2 on the list, right? And it's moving up. It's getting stronger. The yen on the opposite side of that, 2 weeks ago was at minus 9.33. This week it's at minus 12. Bam! It's going in the other direction. It's getting weaker. So we want to put the strong against the weak. And you have already seen the US dollar yen analysis that I just put out prior to this video. And then the one before that was Aussie yen. Check those videos out. I'll leave a link at the end of the video, of this video, for you to check it out. Now, look at the yen. We're looking at the 4 hour. Matter of fact, let's go to the daily. All right, what am I looking at? I got a daily, I got a weekly, I got a daily supply zone. Excuse me. Let me take a sip of water. All right, I have a daily supply zone inside of a weekly supply zone, right? And you would think here we would find some rejection, all right? Because that's a pretty tough bit of supply to get through, right? Price has been bullish all the way up there. Look at this bullish, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then we just got crazy, boom, right? Price has this impulse, and then this complex correction, and then another impulse breaking that high. So here's what we can get out of that. One, lots of bullish momentum. Why would I be thinking about taking shorts? 2, let's go to the 4 hour. 2, I want you to notice that we have authorization by the markets to look for longs. Why? How? How do you figure? Look at the supply zones that have failed. All right, look at this zone. From here, price broke structure, right? All of this, price just ran right through it. Not to mention these, all right? Not to mention these zones of supply, all right? Price just ran right through it, boom. When you see demand in control breaking supply, you know that you should be looking for buys because the order flow is bullish. The order flow is bullish. Got it? So you might ask yourself, hey man, look at this supply here. All right, we broke that supply. The top, right? Took the liquidity from the top. All right, but understand this is probably inducement for price to reach this zone. Okay, that's what we got to be careful of. All right, so you got to say to yourself, I don't want to take a buy into a supply zone. I don't either. All right, not without confirmations. All right, one of the confluences is that which I mentioned. Have we broken supply? Yes. If there is a pullback, all right, if price starts to correct after this impulse, you got to expect a correction. If price starts to correct, I'm looking for bullish price action wherever it corrects. All right, it could come all the way down to here. It could come down to here. All right, this is where I might suspect price may come down to. All right, which would make this a flip zone. All right, a flip from supply to demand, and this would take that would give me a nice trade to take to the upside. But we got to wait for confirmations for all that snazzy stuff. Okay. We can't jump too early because this is supply, man. You don't want to be, this is a weekly supply. You're going to expect some kind of reaction here. But because the yen is very weak and trending weaker, and the CAD is stronger, much stronger than the yen, and trending bullishly, all right, having some bullish momentum, I'm going with longs. All right, but I'm waiting for the setup. All right, now let's go to the 4-hour. All right, there is a zone of demand here. This is the last demand before it broke that top. That's fine. Price might break through that. Price might break through this, okay, and come all the way down. Come down to another area, somewhere around here. All right, right beyond this the zone that it broke, the supply that it broke, and that's fine. I'll look. You know, if price gives me my setup here to take shorts, I will take the short to the long, just like I did with, just like I'm looking for in Aussie yen, just like I'm looking for in the USD yen. All right, you just got to be patient for the setup. All right, you got to be patient for the setup, and especially when there is a zone, an opposing zone of supply, and you're looking for buys. All right, you got to get confirmations, man, and you got to be patient. All right, I will take a sell to the buy wherever that buy might set up. All right, I'm looking at these zones first. Got it? And if I get a setup for a short up here, I will take it down, and this will be my TP. All right, it's not like that would be a waste of time. This is a 100 pip drop. You know, why not take advantage of it, right? So we have two. If price does this, then I'll do that. We have two scenarios to play this, two ways to play this. Okay, we just got to see how price opens. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you benefited from the analysis. If you did, slap that like button upside the head. All right, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right, subscribe, hit that bell notification, so that the bell icon, so you can get the notifications for updates. Okay, and do leave a comment. Let me know if you like this setup. All right, I'm going to leave the video I just did prior to this one. I think that was USD yen. I'll leave it on your screen for you to check out. All right, the yen pairs are on my hot watch list. All right, and for this coming week, and let's see if we can get some profits. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.